Hi guys, so Blakedown Stage Double Crossing in Worcestershire, Wolsgrove. No, the alarm has the night mode hasn't yet been activated yet. Right, the time is 22:14 on Friday, the 7th of April, 2017. This is for your 22:17 to Hotel 75, London Midland Circle, Worcester, Shrub Hill to Leamington Spa. You can see the light flashing on, reflecting off the fence. Don't know when the train's coming. Oh yeah, it comes now. There's no horn being sounded because it is after 10 o'clock at night. I don't think they're allowed to. Oh wait, they did sound the horn then. I think normally at this time of night, that trains don't sound their horns, so not to disturb nearby residents. I think. Anyways, here it comes. There's hardly anybody around. Look, there's literally nobody stopped at the crossing, apart from me, or other than me even. We've got 172338. 172338, which has got one of 172333's coaches to Leamington Spa. And up they go. Thank you guys, I'll see you next video.